Hey guys, it's Siddharth and you're watching Nursing Association and today's my topic is alopecia. Let's start this topic.
The first question is what is the alopecia? What is the definition of the alopecia? The alopecia is defined as the loss of hair from the area where the hair normally grows, partial or complete baldness or the loss of hair that called the alopecia. Means generally the hair loss in our body that called the alopecia. Okay. Next is form of alopecia. There are six type of forms of alopecia. There are the different type of the alopecia. The main type of the hair loss are alopecia aorta, alopecia totalis, alopecia universalis, alopecia barbary, and androgenic alopecia and scarring alopecia. There are the six form of the alopecia. We briefly discuss about in the next slide. Alopecia aorta. Alopecia aorta is an autoimmune condition which causes the patchy hair loss. It can result in a single bald patch or the extensive patchy hair loss. In alopecia aorta, it is caused by the autoimmune condition. In this alopecia, the hair loss are done in a patchy way. We can say in this picture, the hair loss are done in a patchy way. We call this alopecia is alopecia aorta. Second is alopecia totalis. In this name, totalis means total. Alopecia totalis is a more advanced form of the alopecia aorta, which result in a total loss of hair on the scalp. Means total hair loss in the scalp, that called the alopecia totalis. We can see in this picture the scalp is very clear and the total hair loss are done in the scalp, that's called alopecia totalis. Next is alopecia universalis. Alopecia universalis is the most advanced form of the alopecia aorta, which result in a total loss of all hair on the body, including the eyelashes and eyebrows, that called the alopecia universalis. And the name of the alopecia universalis, the universalis means universe, means in all our body the hair loss are done in all our body, that called the alopecia universalis. We can see this picture where the eyelashes are gone and the beard and mustaches also are gone, that's called the alopecia universalis. In this alopecia universalis, the hair of the body are the fall down, that's called the alopecia universalis. Okay. The next topic is the alopecia barbary. The alopecia barbary is the alopecia aorta that is localized to the brand area. It can be the single bald patch or the more extensive hair loss across the whole of the beard area, that called the alopecia barbary. We can see the picture. The patchy hair loss are done in beard, that called the alopecia barbary. We can see the patchy hair loss, that called alopecia barbary, and barbary means beard. Next is the androgenic alopecia. In this name, androgenic means the androgens, the male hormones. The alopecia caused by the androgens, that is the male hormones. That's why the name are this alopecia is androgenic alopecia. Also known as the male pattern of baldness or the female pattern of the baldness. It is also known as the male pattern of baldness or the female pattern of baldness. It is the thinning of the hair to an almost transparent state in both man and woman. In the androgenic alopecia, the hair are done thin. It is the hereditary, means these are the transparent from our parents. Our next topic is the androgenic alopecia. In the name of the androgenic alopecia, the androgens are seen. Androgens are the male hormones that is produced in male or female, also known as a male pattern of baldness or the female pattern of the baldness. It is a thinning of the hair and almost a transparent state in both men and women. In this androgenic alopecia, the hair are done in thinning that is caused by the androgens. It is a hereditary, means that is transferred from our parents. In both men and women, it is linked to the having an excess male hormones around the hair follicles, which can block the hair growths. The androgens are the androgenic alopecia are caused by the androgens, that is the male hormones, and that's the block the hair growth in men and women. Women are more likely to develop the androgenic alopecia after the menopause when they have fewer female hormones. Most causes of the hair loss are due to the androgenic alopecia. Some picture of the male pattern of baldness, male pattern hair loss, and some picture of the female pattern of baldness. Scarring alopecia. This next topic is scarring alopecia. Scarring alopecia refers to a group of the rare disorder which cause the permanent hair loss caused by any inflammatory process which caused by the permanent damage of the hair follicles, like a burn, bacterial infection, autoimmune disease. We can see this is a scarring alopecia that is caused by any type of the injury, bone infections. That's called the scarring alopecia. The next topic is causes of the alopecia. There are the main causes of the alopecia we can discuss about in this slide. Exposure to the allergens, irritants, toxins, burns, injuries, and the infections. That is the main cause of the alopecia. The alopecia are done by the allergens, irritants, toxins, burns, infections, and injury. Certain medication, especially anabolic steroids like the testosterone, some kind of medication we adopt in our body. That's why the alopecia are done. Chronic kidney failure, radiation, and chemotherapy, malnutrition. There are some causes of the alopecia. The next and last topic is the treatment. So we discuss about it. Although hair loss rarely need to be treated, many people seek treatment for the cosmetic reason. Many people do treatment for a cosmetic result. There is no cure for alopecia and no universally proven therapy to induce the hair regrowth. Means there are no proved therapy yet to hair regrowth. Many cases of the hair loss are temporary, for example due to the chemotherapy, or they are a natural part of the aging, don't need a treatment. After chemotherapy, the hair are the regrowth, and aging is a natural cause of the alopecia. If hair loss is caused by the infection or another condition, treating its underlying problem may help to prevent further hair loss. If the hair loss are caused by any infections, burns, and other stuff, we have to treat this alopecia and prevent hair loss. Hope you guys enjoy this lecture. If you are like this video, please press like button and subscribe our channel and show some love and do some support to us. Thank you for watching.